Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a free website. It's entirely free. You don't need any HTML coding experience, nothing but an email and a browser. So let's start. First off, we're going to open up our browser. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is a domain name. It's like um, a name, but it doesn't allow others to take your name. This way people know your website from other websites. Okay, so we're going to type in .tk, which is a free domain name provider. So we're going to go in. Okay, now since we're in, you can type in a domain name or you can log in. Logging in is quite easy. You can sign up from the previous page, or you can sign in with your social account, as you can see. If you have signed up, you can sign with your email address and password, and if you haven't, you can just log in using your social account. So that's what we're gonna do here. You can go in with Google account, Facebook, Twitter, and lots of others. Of course, you have to have your Google account logged in. Okay, so wait. As you can see here, we're on my.tk. This is my account. As you can see, I have two domain names. So what we're gonna do is sign up for a domain name. So we're going to our domain panel. Okay, so these are my domains. So we're going to add a new domain here. Okay, here we're going to type in our domain name. So we're going to go for trial domain and click add new. Okay, so this says it's not quite available, so we're going to try another one, like the trying domain. And add new domain. Yep, so this one's available, so we're going to free domain, of course, since this is a free website, and click next. Okay, so we're going to open up a new tab here and type in anything like cool images or something. It doesn't really matter because we're just going to take the link. Okay, so we're going to go to images. Alright, so we can see lots of images right here. We're just going to right click anyone with these and click view image info. Of course I'm using Firefox. You can use others. I don't know what buttons to click there because I tried it on Firefox. So once it's loaded, it's not working. Yeah, I'm just gonna try that again. Image info, and there we go. So we're going to take this link. It's not gonna work, so okay, just take this link and try it. Select the whole link. I doubt this link's going to work, but we're just going to try it. So we take a copy of that, close that, and go to my.tk, replace the HTTP. Okay, so and you can choose any length for the registration, and we're just going to type in this CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA. Okay, as I said, it might not work, so I'm just going to remove the HTTP. Try that out. Retype our CAPTCHA. And it's not working. Okay, so we're just going to take another image link here. We're gonna try this one. What I was trying to say earlier is most of the links, I mean some links won't work, so those beginning with data dot. So we're going to try a HTTPS link and take a copy of that whole link and copy. Then we're going to turn this off and go to my.tk and replace the whole link. So we're going to paste, okay, and registration, and then our CAPTCHA, and click next. Okay, so now we have the tryingdomain.tk successfully made, so it's added to our domain names in our account in our domain panel. So I'm going to go there, and as you can see, it's right here, free authorized. This is registration date and expiry date and lots of other buttons. I'm going to use that later. Okay, so now we need a web host, so we're going to go to 000 web host. Okay, so we're going to the members area. Of course, you need to be a member. This is also free registration. If you're not a member, just click the first link if you see in Google search. So once you have registered, you're going to need your email and your password. So let's try that out. It's my email and password, and now we type in the CAPTCHA. Submit. Okay, so as you can see, I have some domain names, and we're going to go for create new, and we're going to type in our domain name, which is www.thetryingdomain.tk, and just type in the password. Oh, I'm sorry, it has to have numbers and letters, so like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ASDF or something. Just type in whatever password containing 6, and now we have our username and password. You don't have to worry about these because you can bring them on later as we go, and I'm going to show you that later as well. As you can see, it's building our domain, and so just refresh status and keep refreshing until it's active. Okay, so now the tryingdomain.tk is active. We're going to go to the cPanel, which is Control Panel. Okay. So here we're going to go to our file manager right here. Okay, so he needs our username and password. I'm going to go up here. Okay, so we have our username and password. We're going to copy our password. Okay, copy that. And paste. Okay. Now it says an error has occurred. Don't worry about that. Just go back to the login page. And we're just going to type in our FTP server. Our FTP server is the IP address, or you can type in the server name. I'm going to choose the IP address, and we're going to take a copy of that. Now all you have to do is just paste it in and click login. Okay. Okay, I think it's still uploading, so we're going to try again. Okay, now it says it's unable to connect, but actually it's connected, so we're going to close our tab right here and reopen our file manager. And as you can see, it's logged in. So these are our folders and files. We're going to open up public underscore HTML. Okay, now we're going to select our default.php and we're going to delete it. And confirmation, click the tick sign, and it's deleted. Now that we have deleted our default.php, we can close this tab. Okay, and now we're going to build our site, so we're going to click Zyro Builder. Okay, now as you can see here, you going to choose a template. It's the layout of your website, so we're going to choose any random, like entertainment or something. Of course, you have to choose a template according to your website and what it's about. So as you can see, here are entertainment templates. Okay, so we're just going to choose a random one for now. That's me, but you have to choose your template. You can edit that later, but I prefer you choose one now. Okay. Okay, so we're going to wait for the page to load here. And as you can see, this is our website builder. So this is the template we chose, and it has everything in our website. So for starters, we have to start editing. So we're going to edit our headline. Now our domain was the trying domain, so we're going to type the try. Sorry, something. Alright, so I'm going to go to the trial. That's of course my headline. You have to choose your own headline according to your website, and we have to unlock the elements. I'm sorry, I unlocked that not on purpose, and we're going to bring it down a bit, and going to edit text. Now we're going to select this text and go to styles, and now this is a heading, so we're going to choose heading. As you can see, it's much bigger now. Okay, so you can add lots of other stuff, link exchange, AdSense, shapes and stuff. This is just to edit your website. You can add stuff, and you can go to pages and edit those. You have multiple pages, of course, and then we're going to click publish. Now this is going to publish our website. This is just to make sure it's actually working. Okay, so we're gonna wait here. Okay, now we're going back to my.tk, and we're going to click modify on our domain name, and then we'll come back to 000 web host and click view account details. We're going to take this text link, and we're going to copy that. Now go back to my.tk, and we're going to click custom DNS. Now we're going to paste it in here and take the second link and paste that one too. This is just to forward our domain name to this web host. Okay, so we're going to go like this and save changes. This is of course editing the link we got from Google Images. So now it's not the picture link, now this is forwarding to 000 web host. Okay, so we're going to go back to Zyro Builder and republish that. Okay, wait. Okay, so now we're going to try our website. We're going to type in www.tryingdomain.tk. Okay, just gonna wait for that to load. Of course, you shouldn't start off by searching on Google because you're definitely not gonna find your website there. It's been published a few seconds ago, so you're gonna have to wait for Google. Okay. As you can see, it says home, so this is our website home. Sorry for the slow internet connection. Okay, so we have home, service, contacts, and everything we had in our template in our website builder. Okay, so that's that. Going to go to our website builder. As you can see, they're exactly the same. So we're going to edit something just to make sure that everything can be updated and published. So I'm going to select all this and type this is to make sure it's working. Okay, and can be updated. Okay, I'm just gonna edit this. Edit text and just syntax error. Okay, so apostrophe. Just make sure it's working. It can be updated. Okay, and now we're going to click publish and wait for it to load. Okay, so now it's complete. We're going to go to our website, and as you can see, it's not changed yet, so we're going to stop loading and reload our page. And voila! It's just to make sure it's working and that it can be updated. So there you go. That's our website. It's published. It can be updated. As I said, it's can't be searched on Google yet, but you're going to have to work at that on that. So here it is. It's working, and that's all. So now, just going to make a quick review. Going to my.tk, add new domain, and then create the new domain on the 000 web host, and then it's going to bring us here and go to cPanel and carry on the steps. Then we're going to build our website, click publish, and there it is. Voila. Okay, so that's all for now. If you had any problems, please type the problem in the comments. I hope you had fun, and I hope that was useful. So please like and subscribe if this worked for you. Okay, bye.